Hey guys, hope that you all are having a wonderful day today. I'm having a great day. As you guys read in the title, today's video is going to be a grocery haul, and it is a brand new school year, so I had to do some grocery shopping for like school lunches and all that type of stuff. Okay, so I'm trying to save money, as I told you guys before, and I did save somewhat this month. I did not try to challenge myself to spend $200 like last time. I just went with the flow. Got what I got, and I actually got a good amount of stuff for the month with how much I spent. But I do have to go shopping for like produce and meats in 2 weeks, so that's perfectly fine. And like drinks, of course, because my kids, I noticed over the summertime, they drink everything up within like 2 days, and then there's nothing there. So yeah, I'll probably be shopping for drinks within 2 days. Still, even though they're at school. Remember, I have a little toddler that's home all day, so yeah, you guys will be seeing a lot of brand new content, a lot of different things. Comment down below what you want to see me make, what you want to see me do. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from the grocery store. I had to put everything on the table first and on the counter, but we'll be right back in a second. See you guys then. Okay, so I have to go to a different store to get some certain things I have to go to the store for, but this is just for now. So I got some tomatoes, bananas, a plantain, lettuce. I got the Mama Bear Atlantic salmon cubes, Brussels sprouts, some cheese, street taco shells. Got 2 packs of those. I got the Daisy's light sour cream. And I have some Pillsbury biscuits right here, 3. Then I got sugar, some cottage cheese, some more salt. I was looking for sea salt, but they didn't have none. So I got the Ready Whip original with cream. Got my baby girl some apples, because she likes apples. Got Talente gelato, chocolate chip cookie dough. Got some cheese, block cheese, sharp cheddar, pepper jack, and Kobe jack. So I got my Core Power protein shakes. So I got 2 chocolates, 2 vanilla, and the Elite vanilla one. So I got some juice, which is the strawberry limeade, and I got my Simply Peach and the 4C iced tea raspberry powder. This is perfect to have in my house. I got I call it bow tie noodles. I got elbow noodles, penne noodles, eggs. I got these seasonings. Got 4 for $1 each. Garlic powder. We got Ovaltine chocolate mix. This is my favorite one, and the kids love this. Now you can have it hot or cold, so it's perfect. It's like hot cocoa as well. So I got some chili. Okay, so I got the Velveeta macaroni and cheese box of 3. I'm gonna get some more of these. Go-Gurts. Got the Funfetti little pancakes for like morning time. The ice cream sandwiches. I don't know, my son got those ones. I told him to get the chocolate one, but this is what he put on the list. Red Baron deep dish pizzas, Chips Ahoy. So I got steak I got the chicken breast. So I'm gonna make chicken tacos with these as well. Steak. I got the Red Baron French bread pizzas. I got the Sea Pop shrimp spring rolls. I like these for like lunch. And I also got the big pizzas, Red Baron pepperoni pizzas. I got 2. Okay, so now we're on to over here. And just real quick, I got 3 things of water. Got Yoo-Hoo, applesauce pouches, and I also got little Kool-Aid pouches as well. I'll get more drinks eventually, but that's it. Yeah, as you guys see, no soda. No soda. Okay, so I got 2 lactates, whole milk, got my Orgain protein powder, got my cottage cheese with strawberries. I got 4. Got my Wacos, I believe that's how it's called. Wacos protein. So we got 20 grams protein. I got 2 vanillas, 3 strawberries. I got my Chobani. These are actually $1 as well. $1 for 8. So I think I'm gonna get some more because I love these yogurts as well. And these was actually $1.25 for these, which was a good price because they're usually like $2. I got cookies and cream, and I also got red velvet cupcake. Those are only 2 I got of those. So I got the Nature Valley biscuits with almond butter. These are good. Try them. Yes. I got the Little Bites fresh brownies, the Entenmann's milk chocolate chip cookies, Swiss rolls, and I got 2 brownies, cosmic brownies, and also got them zebra cakes. Got wheat thins, Ritz crackers. I got these. I don't know how to say the brand, but I got buttermilk pancakes. These are actually on sale for, these are $2. They're originally like $4, $4.50. Got them for $2. And I got my power cakes Kodak. They didn't have blueberry, but I got regular ones. Cereal bars, I got strawberry, and I have apple cinnamon. I got 2 Cheez-Its. They like Cheez-Its, so that's I got those Cheez-Its crackers. Cereal. I got Honey Nut Cheerios, Oreo cereal, Cocoa Puffs, Fruity Pebbles, and Trix cereal. And these are all on sale. The ones that were on sale together was Honey Nut, Trix, Cocoa Puffs. There's one missing, I believe. Yeah, the 3 of those with the with these I got for like $3. And the Oreos and the Fruity Pebbles were like $3 each together. Okay, so I got the raisin cinnamon bread, my French toast, honey wheat Sara Lee bread. We have been liking our wheat bread and honey wheat bread. We have not eaten white bread in like months. So I got these from my baby girl. Strawberry apple for teething. Sesame. Look at that. And I got these chips. So into the meat. Whole chicken. I got my drumsticks. 2 drumsticks. Then chicken breast. Peppers, lazy, did not feel like cutting them up, so I got a big one. I gotta get carrots. Okay, chicken tenderloins, 2 of those, got 2 pan steaks, then got some chicken wings, and these are what, thick chicken breasts. These are bigger chicken breasts that I got. Yeah, and that is it. And literally all this stuff, you guys, came to like $600. $600, but I have a family of 8, so you gotta think about it. And I will restock up on meats like in 2 weeks. So yeah.